Hello guys, welcome to Gan of Python. In this tutorial, we'll see the remaining Windows rolling Windows function, that is covariance, skew, kurtosis, and quantile. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll use the same package, that is Pandas and NumPy, and we have already created. We are using this. Actually, we are using the same data set what we have looked in the last tutorial, right? So consist of the two columns A and B having the numeric values, right? Now we'll see one by one. First of all, we'll see the covariance. First of all, we'll make the new column, that is rolling covariance, right? And here what we'll do, the rolling window equals to, let's say window size equals to 2, and what we have to do, that is covariance here dot, when you will check the data, you can see the covariance, rolling covariance is added here. Let me do one more thing here, that if you will put the data dot b, you can see here that the correlation between the variable a and b we are getting over here, right? It is covariance, right? Okay, hope this will make sense, guys. Now will see this skew, guys. This how this covariance will work, and means what is the backend. We have already looked in descriptive statistics. If you want to check, you can go ahead and check that one. Okay, now we'll use the next, that is skew. How this will work, we'll see over here. Simply what we'll do is we'll change this skew over here, and we'll put the skew here. No need to use the next one. Okay, we are getting the NaN because the window size is 2. Let's say we'll put the 5. You can see some of the data we can see over here. Okay, so the what is the window size equals to 5, that's why 4 NaN we can see over here, and fifth value we are getting here, right? So the windows means the skew value is negative, here is the positive. How this will calculate, we have already looked in the descriptive statistics, right? Now we'll see the next, that is kurtosis. For the kurtosis, we need to use the cut over here, and we'll change the name of this cut. You can see the kurtosis is added, rolling kurtosis column is added over here, guys. Rolling means nothing but the average, moving average, or moving calculation. Okay, what we are doing over here, that is moving kurtosis, right? Now we'll we'll see the next, that is quantile. And let's say quantile is 25th percentile. Let's say window size equals to 2, and we'll change the quantile. You can see here the rolling quantile is calculated. Okay, it is when you see in the data in the pandas, what we'll do, we'll use the q equals to, and then and we'll put the first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. But in this case, if you will do like this, you will get an error. Okay, so simply what you will do, when you want to take the first quartile, that is 25th percentile, so simply put the 0.25. If you want to check the 50th, then you can check the 50th. If you want to check the 75th, then you can check the 75th as well, right? So like this quantile will work. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have learned a new, okay, that is covariance in the rolling windows, skew, kurtosis, and quantile in the rolling windows. Okay, now in the next tutorial we'll see the win type, that is windows type, how this will work, and we have the much more windows type. Okay, but we'll check some of them. Okay, if you want more, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more motivation. Thank you.